Oh, it's a couch. Jesus Christ. Oh, shit. Oh, Roadrunner. Beep, beep. There's a checkpoint. I don't care about us.
Wow.
Tombstone. 3 mile.
Tombstone.
Wow. 4,500 foot elevation. Howdy.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Hi, how you doing today?
Good, how you doing?
Come on in, welcome. All original building from the 1880s.
She buried folks to both Boot Hill and the Tombstone Cemetery. The horse-drawn hearse was made
You
by
wanna
the
walk the
Cunningham
village
Brothers
first?
in Rochester, New York. They
We'll hit on the way back.
All right, we'll be here.
You sure? Well, look at that thing. A skeleton up there. Gunfight palace. Oh, there's the Undertaker. Stinks. See what they towed. They got their priorities right.
Here's a couple rules. Anyone wearing a Hawaiian shirt in Tombstone's got to be looking for an adventure.
I'm your huckleberry.
I'm from around here. No. I just don't have my hat on.
Aloha.
We're from Connecticut. There's no surf there.
Connecticut? Oh, the wrestling goes on. Is it over there?
We don't watch that.
Well, we're from New York
Hey,
originally,
that's only
but
real sports on TV.
Really? We don't watch any sports.
I was going to be one of those guys.
Yeah?
Yeah.
were you? You're built
I
for
was
it.
going to be Samson. Yeah, well, I'm old now. But you know what? The very first murder in Tombstone happened right here. Yeah.
Did it?
Yeah.
Oh, this was part of the tent city here?
Well, all this was tents.
Yeah, because
That's right.
they built
That's
the
right.
town so
You ever
fast.
watch the series called Deadwood?
We didn't see that one.
No.
Oh, you missed it. Well, a lot of cussing and swearing is great.
We watched Tombstone.
That is the most unfactual movie made.
Was it?
Yeah, the OK
And how about the
Corral
OK
was
Corral
insane.
one?
The
The movie OK Corral from like the 70s, I think it was.
My time there, guy. I don't
Yeah.
know. Wyatt Earp was more factual. Kevin Costner, that was filmed here. And Kevin Costner offered to reface the entire town with his own money. They said, we don't want no Hollywood money here. Val Kilmer would be here this year again. He was here last year. It was the busiest we've ever been.
Nice.
And they're bringing another one of those guys. It'd be
From Tombstone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Movie. It would blow my mind. It was Bill Paxton.
Yeah, that'd be
Yes.
right.
Whoa! I gotta see that one. So I've cured many. I cured a 70-year-old woman one time. She couldn't stop thanking me. She tried to go home with me to thank me.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, that's why I'm gonna ask you, Ginger or Marianne?
Ginger. I like redheads. I have a YouTube channel. You mind if I put some of your stuff?
Say anything. You can do whatever you want here,
Well,
man.
give it about a month, though.
I'm in Disneyland, California.
Yeah?
That's what I used to do.
Yeah.
I can't get with that.
Oh, did you work out there?
I was Goofy, Tigger, Bear, Captain Hook, the Big Bad Wolf, and Launch McQuack. If I say
you
that
are
fast, you know
McQuack.
damn well I did it.
You are a quack.
Outlaws. Outlaws, both of them.
Uh-oh.
Like Bonnie and Clyde.
Outlaws.
Whoa.
Uh-oh.
Hey, you
Nice
two, man.
meeting you. I'll see you around.
Are you guys married?
Yeah.
I married people down there.
Huh?
I married people down there.
Oh, did you?
100 feet underground.
Oh, nice.
Couldn't get started on the left place to your right hand. Only a handful of buildings here can actually make that claim. Well, on that
You stepped on horse cocky, haha. That's neat. We can go anywhere. I know. That's the way to go. That's the way to roll, right?
Oh, yeah. Nothing stops this one.
That's good. That's nice. Hey, barkeep. Wow, that's some piece of work. Cafe Margarita. How you doing? Okay. That's awesome.
Underground silver mine tour.
Alright.
A 45-minute guided tour will take you 100 feet underground in the mine that started Tombstone.
Welcome to the Good Enough Mine, and or the beginning of. The cat's extra. Now, what's very interesting about this stope or room is, how many of you watch them old cowboy movies where they would discover a seam of gold? Anytime you see red painted, watch your head. If you look up, you'll see two little pieces of wood stuck in a hole here. You'll see one large rock with three smaller rocks sitting on top. That is an 1880 seismograph. If you were coming to work and either of these items had fallen, you knew the mine shifted, you turned around and got gone.
That's a big meat cutter. Roll the safe. Crap table. Huh, a poker table. Can't see in there.
You know, I would have rocked this world.
Where's that guy's room? Was it this building? That dug to the rocks?
This is nice.
Your name or...
Yeah, actually, I think I might have an extra card. I gave so many cards out. This is nice, though. But I look on, there's an all trail to ride around, you know.
Yeah, and also,
Hey, get that there, I'll give you a hard on, buddy.
Oh, yeah.
that, Avenza PDF,
What is it?
Avenza map,
Oh.
that has a lot of off-road.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. So check that out for sure. That has a lot of
That's nice. Huh. Nice. All right, take it easy. Oh yeah, gotta get that line up. That's pretty good. See if I can get it.
I'm not real happy with General Motors and Humvee right now anyway, but...
Yeah.
Can't sleep with that in here.
Oh man.
I can't.
Want to catch him?
Fuck that. I'm not. No.